Hi guys, we have with us Captain Brandon Fernandez. He's also the leading guy with the most assists so far in the history of the Hero ISL. We also have another Indian international and an FC Goa star, Glenn Martins. So without much, throw the floor open to questions and please raise your hands and we'll come to you.
Hi, Brandon. As a leading player, not just for Goa, also for India, one of the most important players for the Indian national football team, and of course, leading player with assists and leading playmaker in SL. Now the captain of FC Goa as well in the rebuilding year for FC Goa. How big is the challenge for the team and for you personally?
Yeah, it's a big challenge for us. As a team, we are rebuilding the team. We have many new players, different ideas, trying to do new things. Uh, I hope in this process we get success. And personally, I want to get better. I just want to, add my numbers in terms of assists and also be on the scoring sheet. But this all will come with hard work, and I personally feel if you put a lot of hard work, we are going to get success this season. New things as in we the way we used to play this year, we are trying to have different plans in our team, not just like you said, just keeping the ball possession. Sometimes we'll try to do different things, go direct, variations. This is what we are looking for, and we are training these things, and we hope that we execute them well in the games and get results.
My question is, I'm not very happy with your answer. I want to know what are the new things the team is going to try this time. You know, kit new korpa hai teaming ko. I'm not very clear on what exactly you mean by new things in the team. What are the new things you're looking at? Like
Uh,
something,
New
like you
new
said, style of playing. What is the style of playing that you're talking about?
I just said we'll have variation. We'll go direct sometimes because FC Goa is known for playing the ball possession. This is what I try to tell you. So we'll have more variations. It won't be always from the back. Sometimes it will be direct football. I'm trying to tell.
Really not what do you say? It was a forgettable year for FC Goa, but coming into this year with all the rebuilding, new coach, as in Carlos Pena, who has also been the past player. How do you assess this year's challenge?
Yes, I think with what happened last year, I think we have a lot to learn from that. It's not that just we want to forget about whatever happened in the last season, but then no, it has given us more hunger to prove ourselves this season. And with the fans back in the stadium, it will be really a plus point for us. And we'll be hoping to see a lot of fans there, and it will boost the team. And I think, yeah, as a team, I think we are much stronger side now, and compared to last season, because last season we had many injuries plus COVID cases. So I think this season will be much better now.
Brendan, as captain of the team, do you think Glenn by your side on the field would give you opportunities to plan the game better?
Of course, last season I don't remember we played together because there was some time I was out because of injury, sometime he was out because of injury. But this season, I think having all the players, especially Glenn, he's a very important player for us in different aspects of the game. Him being on the pitch is going to help us a lot, and also we need to have all the players. Having all the players because we train together and we have different plans. So we need to execute them, and for that we need all the players fit.
Another thing, for the last 2 years, you all have been playing in a bubble. You all have been playing in a bubble,
Yeah, yeah.
locked in the room, coming out and playing. So that had a mental impact on all the players, and it could be seen on your game. Now you all are out of the bubble. Have you all recovered, and you think it's going to help you all perform better now?
Yes, of course. Initially, it was very difficult for us. We didn't realize that time, but after coming out from the bubble, we realized all those things. It was really difficult for us. Now it's normal. Everything is normal for us. We have, mentally also we have in a good space. Uh, so this is going to help us in our performances, I'm sure, and we will be able to get good result this season.
As captain of the team, normally a captain of a team has a word with the coach before the team is set for the day. Are you going to play a crucial role in that?
You mean to selecting the first 11?
No, I didn't say selecting, but you have a crucial role in explaining to the coach what you would like to be in your first 11. Would you play that role?
Well, the first day when Carlos came, he spoke to me and he shared his ideas with me, and he was very open to hear my ideas. Whatever I know, I told him. But as you know, Carlos played ISL before, and he very much know about this league. I don't have to tell him anything, but it's important to have this relationship with the coach where you are open to speak to each other and share your ideas, because in this process I think it's going to help individually and as a team.
Brandon, you have played with Carlos as a teammate. Now he's the coach. How different is he as a coach, in the role of a coach?
uh, it's completely different to have as a teammate, and firstly, because as a teammate you have him on the pitch to guide you, but now he'll be on the sideline, and he very well knows about ISL, and it's a big difference. It's a big opportunity for him to be there and guide the team outside the pitch, and I'm sure he's going to do a good job because he knows the players, he knows the league, and it's very much how can I say, very much a challenge for him and for us to give him what he's asking from us. So I think in this whole process, I think we need to give him what he's asking and work hard on the pitch and stay fit, and whenever we go on the pitch to give 100%, and I think that's going to give us results.
We'll take the last two questions.
Glenn, I think from the foreign signings, four are coming new to ISL, four of the foreign signings in FC Goa. How have they gelled in the bunch? What has been the kind of bonding so far with local players? I mean, all as a squad, how has the gelling been?
Yeah, we have, I think, 5 new foreigners who, from them, 4 are new to ISL. And I think they have gelled really well because even they enjoy, that we can see in the training that we all always are like a family. It's not that they are aside or something like that. No, we always gel together well. And I think, and they are really good players, good human beings. So I think they are really going to help the team very much.
I expect them to come in large numbers, to be there for us in every moment, whether it is up or down moment, and we need them to be there for us and support us in every match. We will give our best. We will give 100%, and of course, we want them to go back happy. This is our aim. We want to bring the fans, more and more fans in the stadium, and make them happy.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.